Mas mura nga ba ang mga pre-selling property? Let's find out kung bakit ito ang best option for first-time home buyer and investor. Maraming natatakot mag-invest sa real estate kasi piling nila mahal o risky. Pero alam mo ba na may paraan para magsimula nang hindi nabubutas ang bulsa mo? Pre-selling properties like the one being offered in Havala Township, a 340-hectare master plan community developed by Piling Basland situated in Taytay, Antipolo, and Angono Rizal are on early stages pa of development and construction. And for that, nag-o-offer sila ng big discount, flexible payment scheme, and exclusive perks for early buyers. In terms of location, ideal din ito because of the infrastructure projects of government that are proposed and under construction near the area, like the Southeast Metro Manila Expressway or C6, Laguna Lakeshore Road Project, and MRT4, this project, when completed, will surely make an impact on your investment. Kapag nag-invest ka sa isang pre-selling project, nakalaking mo ang mababang presyo ngayon. By the time matapos ang construction, mataas na ang value ng property mo. Sabi nga nila, the best investment on earth is earth. Don't wait to buy real estate. Buy real estate and wait. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Simulan mo na maghanap ng mga pre-selling properties and abutin ang financial freedom. And please follow us for more tips on how to invest in real estate.